It's all about living longer and staying well for me, about increasing your health span. A few short years ago, I was a bit overweight, I'd lost my zest for life, didn't feel good at all. Now, I feel absolutely great. I really feel good. And I do it by doing a few simple, enjoyable, easy things that anyone can do every single day. I'm Rob from The Art of Health, and I've got my most exciting event of the year coming up. It's called Feel Fab in 5. 5 minutes a day for 5 days. Starts on the 16th of September. It's all online and I'd love to see you there. I'm going to show you how to start your day with vitality, with clear intention, and with a smile, of course. Okay, click the link below for more information, and hopefully I'll see you on the 16th. Have a great day. Rob. Bye.